This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Erik Segerstrom less than bedroom greater than BRE number 01013957, LIC number 019482296. Move-in ready home in a great neighborhood. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home features an open floor plan with hardwood floors, a wood-burning stove, great views and lots of natural light. There's a spacious entry-level master suite and 2 additional large bedrooms. The attached garage is oversized with room to park 2 cars and have additional space for a shop, gym, office, or storage. Many possibilities. The spacious lot offers nice privacy with plenty of usable space. The concrete driveway has extra room for a boat or RV. This is a well-maintained home in a desirable neighborhood. See it today. For more information, review the details below or contact Erik Segerstrom less than bedroom greater than BRE number 0101397, LIC number 019482296 at 209-770-4246.